Good morning. Investors today responding to President Obama's State of the Union address, along with proposals for a tax credit for higher education and debt forgiveness for some college loans. The president also telling the nation not to walk away from health care reform. The president, however, made no mention of his controversial proposal to limit the size of the nation's banks or their trading activities. Well, investors today continuing to monitor the auto industry, with Ford reporting quarterly results and Toyota expanding a November recall by more than 1 million vehicles. IHS Global Insight calls the Toyota recall and the sales halt the biggest crisis in the auto industry since the bankruptcies of GM and Chrysler. And here's the latest on Apple's new $499 iPad that Apple unveiled yesterday. Piper Jaffray analyst Gene Munster says it may take a year for it to become a breakout product as consumers wait for the price to drop and more publishers jump on board. Now, the name of the product may also be a problem. Japanese computer company Fujitsu has sought a trademark on the iPad name since 2003. All right, we did have a higher day on Wall Street. Stocks rose as the Federal Reserve declared for the first time since the economic crisis that the economy is in recovery mode. Though the housing market may not be recovering just yet, the latest Realty Track report says Honolulu, Minneapolis, and Seattle saw foreclosure filings increase at more than twice the national pace last year. And that's a sign the crisis is widening. At the New York Stock Exchange, I'm Jane King with the Bloomberg Business Report.